We get near to the end of another Highland Village day. This is there's still a couple things to come, but since I'm the last singer, I was asked to do this song. So if you know the words, give her a blast. We'd like to hear a good chorus coming down the hill. Far from the scenes of childhood days, it was my lot to roam across the sea to a foreign land, far from my island home. In dreams I saw the village where my sad heart longed to be, where the waters of Iona rippled down to the deep blue sea. The village ferry in the stream, the lads and lasses there. In Highland kilts were dancing, while the bagpipes filled the air. The lowing of the cattle came from every glen and lea, where the waters of Iona rippled down to the deep blue sea. How often in my youthful days I roamed along the shore with my little Highland lassie, Bonnie Mary from Bordeaux. She sleeps beneath the daisies, guarded by a maple tree, where the waters of Iona ripple down to the deep blue sea. How often on the battlefield my thoughts would take me home to the village of Iona, oh so far across the foam. The memories came to comfort me, and in my dreams I see the waters of Iona ripple down to the deep blue sea. Oh, the day of peace was coming, we were sailing o'er the foam. I hung my pipes and tartan kilt on the dear old walls of home. I thanked my heavenly Father as I walked across the lea, where the waters of Iona ripple down to the deep blue sea, where the waters of Iona ripple down to the deep blue sea. Thanks so very much, you guys. Thanks to Highland Village for having me back again. Al Bennett, Kyle McNeil, and Seamus McNeil. Thanks, guys.